Welcome back, CodeCrafters! In today's tutorial, creating a calculator using AI. Let's start. Open your code editor and make a index.adtl file. Turn on the Live preview. Open ChatGPT. Type this prompt. Generate a code for a working calculator using HTML, CSS, and JS, all code in single file. Copy this code and paste it on your code editor. This calculator is working. Now adding styling. Copy this code and replace with previous code. It's give a dark theme. Now adding gradient background. The input field is looking bad. Change it. Now it's looking good. Increase the height of calculator. Adding a font style to bold. This is the final output. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. Watch this to creating websites using AI. Click this to watch our latest video. Subscribe and stay updated.